Ulit.
Dude. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm going to make a castle, but a bandit castle. We build it by the show. On the YouTuber. First, I need to make my frame. You're watching. Still watch the end. We're going to use it as a bomb.
Hello, bebe.
Hello, are you done?
Ito na, gumagawa na pa.
But you need to make.
Oo, sige, tuloy mo.
Oh, there's some more.
Kalat-kalat ang ginawa mo. Bagat sila.
Oo ka magulo.
Huwag ka mag-inuman yan.
Sorry na.
Saan tayo sa YouTube,
Hi
ah?
guys. Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi, guys.
Pau. I mean, yes.
May swimming pool sila dito na yung tubig ay galing para water ito at malamig. Sa likod naman ng resort na available, may mga cottage na dito at kapag tulungan kayo mga tent, camping, at may mga kwarto din na may malapot na kama. Pwede pa kayo magdala ng magamit ka sa
Yeah.
kuna. Isa nga sa magandang napuntahan po sa Montalban. May enjoy yung maligo dito kahit
Nabubuksan ko pa.
may mga life jacket po dito na pwede rentahan. At meron pa
Botoles
kami
na to?
nakakapa sa beach. So pa dito sa pagtiti sa Laguna, pwede pa kayo mag-explore at
Grabe na yan.
maraming water kasi yung tubig sa lagoon. Yung isa pa sa nalaman ko, itong lagoon pala ay pre-drain nila. At pagkatapos pinupuno ulit sila ng tubig, ilang oras na nga nakalipas at napuno agad itong lagoon. Kaya sa mga balak po dumayo dito at gusto mag-stay dito, napuntahan namin. Mag-message na po kayo sa kanilang page or mag-text sa kanilang
Oh, don't hawak that. You're going to die. Hello. Need to make.
Good foundation of the wall, our pillar. No shaking.
I make some strong pillars. I'm not done yet. Let me just add some blocks.
Oo.
Like a shiny, like a bunny, like want to be. We are hunters.
Hunters ka, boy. Hunters ka ba, mi boy?
Oh, I can't hide it. Lolo, you're wasting some blocks. You need to just make a line only.
Sa pillars. Wait Nakatapos lolo.
It needs strong pillars. Lolo, what's that? That's a trap. How? You cannot make a castle with a trap. I'm just going to make a trap, right? Lolo, don't make a trap, okay? There, the big one here.
Isang lingkod po ng Diyos hindi nawawalan ng pagkain. Kung halimbawa wala ng taong tutulong sa'yo, meron bang isang
Lolo, dala ako.
Oh, galing naman.
Lolo, ano gagawa mo?
Ako? Watch and learn.
Okay. Lolo, uubos na tayo. Block. Ano sa pwede ko na rin ko? Lolo, tapos ka na. Ang gawa ko ng kinay.
Beg? Dahil tubig daw, dahil.
Sino?
Pau, tubig daw.
Saan?
Okay, Lolo. Let me just make the tallest.
Kunti lang.
Yes.
Huwag kang mag-wiwi dyan ha. Iwiwi sa akin muna ko ha.
There, yan. Lolo, tataasan ko na yung villagers ko.
Sige.
Tapos, guwaan kayo na yung malakas weapon ha.
Yeah, correct.
Ako, gagawa na ako ng trap ko. Diba kanina meron tayo 4 pillars? Ito na. Yung pinala yung trap ko. Yung just connect.
Kaya tayo ng strongest pillar. Wait lang pa.
Wala sa'yo to.
Yan, kaya tayo.
Ako pala to.
Gawa tayo ng strongest.
Ito na, Lolo. Connect mo to.
Oh, sige.
Connecting mo to dito ha.
Sige.
Tapos gawa na ako yung isa pa wall dito.
Sige, go.
Dapat ganito yan. Wow.
Sana yung kukonek ko? Sana.
Ito.
Dito, connect.
Ay. Ito yung door.
Connect ko yan. Wait lang. Connect ko na.
Lala, block ko mo yung pamo.
Ay, sorry na. Sorry na.
Ito na yung isa pa yung villagers ko. Ito na ang tao, oh. Oh, yayosik lang yan. Tanan na ako. Tanan ako.
Wait. Oh, iba, na-connect na ni Lolo. Paano ba yan? Na-connect na.
Baliktad! Dito yung trap. Ganito yung trap, oh.
Ah, di, ulit din. Ulit. Saan ba lalagay natin?
Dito sa harapan.
Sa harap? Sorry. Ah, kung ba?
Yeah. Uy, bibigat na, Lolo.
Oh, wait lang.
Lolo, yan
Oo,
ano.
oo. Sana yung dudugtong? Ito? Saan ba?
Oh, tingnan mo yung ano.
Saan ba lalagay?
Villagers.
Saan ba ilalagay?
Dito.
Saan?
Dito sa harapan dito.
Diyan nalagay?
Tapos, iikot to sa inside din. Ganyan. Ano.
Hindi din na dalawa yun. Wala doon.
Now making the wall. The more block. So, you need this. Hello. Mr. connected from this thing. When the enemies come right here,
Wait lang.
they stop the queen here.
Wait lang.
And then they dodge the the trap.
Okay.
But the chain has high speed. But this one has infinity speed. So, Lola,
Connect mo.
okay, I need to connect this right here. I need to just remove this and then this too. And then connect
Sige, tama yan.
this.
Sige, lagyan mo.
Ito.
Ayan.
There.
Lapit mo.
Lapit na.
Sige.
Saglit, kakumba yan.
Sige. Yan.
Saglit, hindi kaya. Dapat
Okay, hindi
ano.
ako. Relax. Relax. Patingin ako.
Dati na.
Hindi yan. Hindi pwedeng natin yan. Kulang pa ng isa.
Kulang pa.
Ito na.
Lala. Headshot.
O yan o. Connect na. Connect na. Ano pa? Dali, tuloy. Tuloy natin ang symbol. Tuloy lang connection. Connect. Next.
Okay, uploading na. Sige, sige. I'm going to see if this is tomato. Like this side. Yeah. There, now there's I'm going to make a weapon. This. No, right there. I'm going to make a weapon there.
Anong kinukuha niyo ngayon? Wait lang ha.
Then, there. Now let's put this right on the top. Now, top to aim at the cap. Or aim.
You're welcome. Ay, ano, thank you.
Now there's only weapon here. Here, can make any go wide. It's called a log trap. A log trap. Yes. Wall. Yeah. Yeah. The net is trapped the enemy. Lola, I just make a trap over here. Lola, don't destroy this.
Hindi, wala akong destroy.
Okay.
Pinipix ko lang.
Okay. We only have 2 blocks left.
No destroy, bawal yun.
Bawal? Ano to?
Dili lang.
Lolo. Barrier.
Yeah. Alright.
Dito yan yun, soldiers. Tapos dito yun, yun, guardians.
Because at Kumon, we built more than just academic skills.
Can you get this?
Children grow confident when they master language.
Kasi kinalat ni Ibrahim, mga ano to, mga sira na.
Wala na yun. Broken na yun. Broken na yun.
Ano, let's piece. Ayan. Okay. Wow.
I have 6. Oh my god, Bahama. More like 3. Your account gets deleted forever, LOL. But we don't have to worry about that because we have so many words. Right, Max?
Yeah, obviously I have 15 billion words. You want some?
Yes, please.
There.
She has only 1 word left. We don't want to be friends with someone who can't even talk to us. Come on, Max.
Lolo, where's the trap?
No, wait lang.
Where's the weapon?
Kukonek ko. Kukunik ko. Wait lang, hindi pa tapos.
Lolo, where's the weapon over here?
Weapon? Oh, ito.
No, Karas. I just make a weapon right here. We can shoot bullets at enemies.
Oo.
And where's the trap?
Trap?
Yeah, let's go right here and then go down right there.
Ano ba, trap? Meron.
Oh, ito pala oh.
Meron yan.
Uy, saglit. Saan ba oh? Ayan.
Okay.
Grab a trap.
Okay.
Grab
See
a
that?
trap to. Oh,
See that?
one soldier's trying to use that trap. Me? Oh, I think a soldier. An enemy just caught by this soldier and be killed. And send over here.
Yes.
And then put it on the barriers. Right here on the top or right here. And the soldiers think it's an enemy, shoot on that. There. Now like this. Hit it like by
Kunin mo yung chopper
one.
dito yun. Yung chopper. Lagay mo sa ibabaw.
Saan?
Yung chopper oh.
Saan?
Sa likod mo. Ayun yung chopper.
Chopper? Saan?
Ayun oh. Di mo alam yung chopper?
Ito?
Hindi yung chopper. Ito. Oh, come on. Lagay mo to dito sa top. Yan ang purpose niyan.
That's a helicopter.
Hmm.
That's a helicopter.
Oh.
Shoot at like in by.
Bay
You
na?
want to see me?
Okay. Check na.